everyone assumes when you buy a car, it is as described. Unfortunately, it's not reality. If you're going back to car shows, in a fast-moving economy, in a fast-paced, everyone tries to sell you cars, from classic cars to modern cars to renovation services, right? But none of you, the consumers, do your own diligence. Why? Because you just assume the seller who provides you a service, who's going to sell you the car, will describe the vehicle as described for you. Unfortunately, it's not reality, it's a delusion. Every used car seller will advertise the vehicle as non-fault, in excellent or lovely condition, so you can get attention to the ad. But when they're going to sell it, they'll put a clause in an agreement where you had an option to inspect the vehicle, but they will never mention inspection in person. And as a result of that, you may lose your chance legally, in case, in a worst scenario, your case will go to court, or when you're going to decide it. But most of it, you will need evidence, right? Regards to avoid these unpleasant situations, which are the worst scenarios, and I don't like to talk about them, is when you do get excited about something you're planning to purchase, make sure you do use car inspection. It will unveil everything about the vehicle, overall vehicle's condition, potential repair costs, anything needs attention or needs doing or needs to be repaired, or needs even basic general maintenance. Maybe it's due for a service and servicing needs to be done. Seller will never do this unless they are trustful and do care generally about their customers. But in a fast-moving market, as I mentioned, no one really cares. There will be always something open and questionable, and if you're not going to do the inspection, you're going to buy it, and then you're going to regret it. But once you bought it and there's some imperfections, right? Remember, you buying from seller's perspective, and in general, you're buying used goods, you're buying used vehicle, and if you're not going to check certain things which are important for you, once you bought it, it's yours, and then unfortunately you can cry in a pillow, right? And feel scammed about, or missold, or you can call it however you like it, but you'll be disappointed, and there will be nothing much you can do unless it's something huge which is worthwhile litigation or something like that. So check our services, check our packages, what we provide on CarExamer.com. We only work with ethical, highly skilled technicians which are hand-picked, so you can have a great service.